Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Garmin CT10 to your dog collar. First, power on the CT10 and the compatible Garmin device, then enable pairing mode on both devices. Open the Garmin app, select Accessories, choose CT10, and follow on-screen prompts to complete pairing and firmware updates. Place the tag near the collar, confirm battery levels, name each tag, and test by walking away to verify location tracking works properly. Start by verifying compatibility and charged batteries for both Garmin device and CT10. Remove old pairings and reset the CT10 if needed, then update firmware. Mount the CT10 securely on the collar, adjust tightness for safety, and confirm the tag ID matches in the app. Finally, perform a range and alert test in a safe area to ensure boundary and notification settings behave as expected. Record settings screenshots for quick recovery. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free convenience while tracking pets, subscribe and like if this video is helping. I recommend the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care. It maps rooms and responds to voice commands so you can focus on training your dog. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy cleaner floors during walks and training. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, restart both devices and move them within 3 feet of each other before retrying. Check CT10 battery contacts for corrosion and clean gently if needed. Use the Garmin app diagnostics to view signal strength and tag status, and reassign tag names to avoid confusion. If firmware update stalls, charge fully and retry, or try updating from a different phone. Contact Garmin support only after exhausting these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.